Today we delve into the world of productivity with Notion and Heptabase. Notion is an all-in-one workspace known for its versatility in project management, note-taking, and collaboration. Heptabase, on the other hand, specializes in robust database management tools, offering powerful tools for organizing and analyzing data. We'll explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives to help you make an informed decision. Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Notion features include versatile workspace. Notion provides customizable templates and layouts, enabling users to create databases, task lists, and collaborative documents tailored to their needs. Seamless collaboration. With real-time editing and commenting features, Notion facilitates teamwork and communication, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Rich media integration. Notion supports the embedding of multimedia content such as images, videos, and files, enhancing the visual appeal and functionality of documents. Cross-platform accessibility. Whether on desktop or mobile, users can access Notion seamlessly, allowing for flexible and on-the-go productivity. Heptabase features include advanced database management. Heptabase offers sophisticated tools for creating relational databases, enabling users to structure and analyze complex data sets with ease. Dynamic data visualization. With customizable layouts and visualization options, Heptabase empowers users to present data in insightful and meaningful ways. Cross-document connectivity. Establish connections between documents and data points within Heptabase, fostering a holistic understanding of information across projects. Extensive automation. Heptabase automates repetitive tasks and workflows, saving users time and effort in managing and updating data. Notion's pricing structure starts at $4 per month for personal use and $8 per user per month for teams, with additional features available for the enterprise plan. Heptabase offers a free plan with limited features, while premium plans start at $25 per month, with custom pricing for enterprise solutions. Notion's user experience emphasizes flexibility and creativity, making it suitable for individuals and teams seeking customizable workflows. In contrast, Heptabase focuses on data management and analysis, catering to users with extensive data organization needs. Notion's strengths lie in its versatility and user-friendly interface, but it may lack some advanced database functionalities offered by Heptabase. On the other hand, Heptabase excels in data management, but it may be difficult to conceptualize for someone who may lack certain skills in the realm of database management. Alternatives to Notion include Trello and Asana for task management, while alternatives to Heptabase include Airtable and Google Sheets for database management and analysis. In conclusion, the choice between Notion and Heptabase depends on your specific requirements. For flexible product management and collaboration, Notion is a solid choice. However, for advanced database management and analysis, Heptabase offers powerful solutions. Sign up for your preferred software using the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more easy internet tips. Thanks for watching.